Welcome back, garden enthusiasts! In today's video, we're discussing the crucial role of pollinators in your vegetable garden and how to attract them. Let's get started. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, and even some birds play a vital role in your garden. They transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating fertilization and leading to the production of fruits and vegetables. Without pollinators, many plants would have reduced yields or might not produce at all. By ensuring pollination, these helpful creatures significantly boost your vegetable yields. More pollination means more fruits, larger harvests, and healthier plants. They are essential for crops like tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and squash. Here's how to attract pollinators to your garden. First, plant a variety of flowers. Choose flowers that bloom at different times throughout the growing season to provide a continuous food source. Next, use native plants. Native flowers are well adapted to your local environment and are more attractive to local pollinators. Also, provide water sources. Shallow dishes of water with stones for landing spots can help hydrate pollinators. And avoid pesticides. Use organic pest control methods to keep your garden safe for pollinators. Creating a welcoming habitat is key. Consider adding bee houses and butterfly feeders. These structures provide shelter and additional food sources, encouraging pollinators to stay and thrive in your garden. Pollinators are essential for a productive vegetable garden. By attracting and supporting them, you can naturally boost your yields and enjoy a more bountiful harvest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!